Namaste. You must have heard that numbers in Hindi are difficult. In European languages, after 20, the numbers repeat. 21, 22, 23, 31, 32, 33, 41, 42, 43. In Spanish it is 21, 22, 23, 31, 32, 33, 41, 42, 43. The same follows in German, Portuguese, Italian, French, etc. Okay, but in Hindi it's not so. In Hindi, the numbers are single word conjunct even after 20, which makes them difficult to learn. But does that mean that there is no pattern in Hindi numbers? No, that's false. There is some pattern that repeats. And I'm here to show you that pattern. This video will be focused on number 1, the difference between the book pronunciation and the way we pronounce the numbers. You watch movies and you wish to understand what they are saying. So I think it's important to know the common pronunciation apart from the book pronunciation, the correct pronunciation. And the second thing is showing you the pattern so that you may be able to learn the numbers easily. Okay, so let's begin. I had already taught the 10 numbers earlier, but not with Devanagari. Here you can see the 10 numbers written in Devanagari. Now I'm going to pronounce them. Before that, these are the modern Devanagari numerals. Okay, this is not mandatory. These are not used everywhere in India, so they can be skipped without any doubt. Here you can see that in case of 8 and 9, I have written 2 numerals. The thing is that officially we have the right ones, but in some old books I have seen the left forms also. So that's why I have written both of them. You may encounter any of them written in any old books of Hindi. Okay? So, shunya, shunya, a long vowel, shunya. Ek, do, teen, char, panch, panch. It's a nasalized vowel. Chhe, chhe. Okay. In eastern parts like Bihar, people pronounce it chha because their language is Bhojpuri. But in Hindi, it is chhe. Some incorrect spellings of chhe are this, che, or this one. So these are incorrect forms and you should not and you should never use them. This is the correct one. The next is saat, aat, no, das. Okay. In the previous lesson, tutorial number 50, we learned how to pronounce th, a retroflex aspirated voiceless consonant. So art. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's move towards what we intended to learn in this lesson, that is the pattern in numbers from 11. Here you can see 3 numbers: 12, 22 and 32. Now the common thing between these 3 are that all of them have 2 at the units place and all of them begin with B. Now this is not only with 10s, 20s and 30s. This can be seen in all the series. Numbers having 2 at the units place begin with B. Okay, so let me pronounce them once more. Bara, bara. The H of bara is not always clearly audible and commonly people pronounce it like bara, bara. Okay, so bara or bara is 12, 22 and 32. So the variation with these numbers I'll tell you at the end. Okay. Now the next ones are the numbers having 3 at the unit place. 13, 23, 33. 13, 23, 33. Now you must observe that the beginning of any number depends on the number at the units place. Okay, so beginning is te, te, te. Depends on the number at the unit place. And the end of that number depends on the tens place. That is the numbers in the 20 series, B's, and with E's, 22, 23, and the numbers in the 30 series and with these, 32, 33. ठीक है? So 13, 23, 33, 14, 24, 34. Okay, so from 4 comes 14, 24, 34. The beginning of the number is from the units place, that is 4, and the ending is based on the tens place. ठीक है? 24, 34. ठीक? The next is 15, 25 and 35. 15, 15. The correct pronunciation is with her. Okay, but normally people while talking in normal conversations pronounce it like the long a, and it sounds like something 12, 13, 14, 15. There is a song 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 13 करूं गिन गिन. ठीक है? तो 15, 25, 35, 16, 26, 36. The numbers having 6 at the units place. 16, 26, 36. 17, 27, 37. So 17, 27, 37. 18, 18 और 28, 38. 18, 28, 38. Okay, now the next, oh, I should have left some space there. एक second. In South Asian languages, the number having 9 at the unit place does not end according to the series. It ends according to the next series. That is, 19 does not end according to the 10th series. It will end according to the 20 series. So, we have 19 according to B's, and we have 29 according to T's. Okay, so 9 is no, 19 is 19 and 29 is 29. ठीक है? Now talking about 21 and 31, we know that ek is 1. So the numbers with 1 at the unit place begin with ik. Ik. 21, 31. 21 is 21, 31 is 31. Okay, so only 2 are left, that is 10 and 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38. ठीक है? Now the last thing that is left is the difference between the correct pronunciation and what we pronounce. Whenever a native person speaks their language, they speak it fast. And to speak it fast, what we do is we, instead of pronouncing these long vowels, 21, 22, 23, we pronounce them short vowels 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. ठीक है? So you won't hear a person pronouncing 33, 34 or 35. They'll pronounce the E short. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. I've also written these romanized forms, the transliteration, in which I have divided the numbers into syllables, and I have also underlined the stressed syllable. Now, as the E becomes short, 24, the stress shifts to the first syllable. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. ठीक है? Otherwise they were 21, 22, 23, 24. When we pronounce the E as short vowel, the stress shifts to the first syllable. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So this is how we speak in normal conversations. ठीक है? The last two numbers are left are 39 and 40, and because the numbers ending with 9, the numbers having 9 at units place go according to the next series. 39 will also go according to the series of 40. So 40 is 40. And what shall be 39? Okay, you can guess. According to these examples, what you will guess is 39. ठीक है? So the number is close to 39. It is 39. 39. ठीक है? Although some people also say 39. So 39, 40, 39, 40. So here we finished this lesson in which you learned how to pronounce the numbers from 0 to 40 and how to remember any number without memorizing them, because the first part, the beginning part of the number depends upon the number on the units place, and the ending part depends upon the number on the tens place. ठीक है? So tomorrow we are going to play bingo, in which you have to write numbers in 5 by 5 square, and you have to write 25, any 25 numbers out of 40. And okay, the rest of the details we will discuss on Zoom. ठीक है? I hope that the game will be fun for all of us and will enjoy. तो चलता हूँ. I have to edit the video also and upload it on YouTube and then to the group. चलो फिर, ठीक है? नमस्ते, धन्यवाद.